Hey guys. Hey guys. Well, can you tell me if you clicked it or not? Hey guys, welcome to bitch. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick little mini YouTube tutorial. So we're making flashbangs. Basically, you get your lighter. Can you look at the lighter?
Hey, car coming by.
Sure. Okay. Tell me it's just 30 minutes. You get your lighter and take off the cap. Get the spring out and the flint. See that? You wrap the thing around. See the flint there? You heat up the flint, and when you throw the flint on the ground, it explodes.
Go in more depth about the lighter. They don't know anything.
Okay, the lighter. You take off the metal cap here. This little metal seal. I'll just do it for this one right now. It's better. Okay, and if you can look in there, I don't know if you can.
Wait,
you can't.
don't move. Don't move. He's gonna focus.
Tap the area you want it to focus on. Okay, whatever. Who cares? Where the spark is made. Can you see? Okay, this is stupid. So again, take the flint out of the lighter. You can't tell. You can't see. Whatever. Who cares?
You know how much just pisses people off in videos?
I know. Who cares? Lighter from the inside, where the spark is made. Like, whatever. Who cares? Then you heat up the little flint, and we're gonna do that right now. I also installed the flamethrower mod. It's a regular lighter. Flamethrower mod. Okay. You know I'm recording this. How can they see you? Okay. Take forever to heat this thing up. Don't have to record the whole heat up process.
We will see you in 20 years later. 56 here.
Did you see it?
That was such shit.
That was sick. Sorry about the horrible execution of the throwing part. Is a hoe. Subscribe for more content. Oh, by the way, we're gonna have like a 30 subscriber special. I think I have 28 subscribers. So when I reach 30 subscribers, gonna have a 30 subscriber special. It's gonna be big. Your boy.